Hello guys, this is me Jeet and I am here to introduce binoculars. So this is from Kmart. So I am gonna unbox it. So this is the instructions. This is the instructions, and there's a big bag in here. And oh, okay, there is the binocular. And oh, okay, yeah. There's some cover like this round, big round shapes in there. So I'm gonna open it like this and and there too, and then the rope, and yeah, I can see everything. This is so cool. So let's see what is in the balcony and see what's in there. Wow, I can see everything nearly. Like I'm thinking that is like 1 meter distance. Oh,